Hello my friend, and good morning to you, and welcome to watch my video today. Today is February 18th. We have already started work from the Chinese New Year holidays. Now we finish our Chinese Spring Festival holiday. See, Henry Block Machine Company. Today I would like to make a description for this particular the soil interlocking stacker. This one is the stacker. I will show you. Compared with this model, this one, I just recorded a video the last year. Here is the separate brick machine, but here you see this part is a brick stacker. You know why we design and improve this brick stacker? I will just show you how the stacker looks like. Yeah, this parts from here to here. Yeah, it's a stacker here, up to here. This stacker. As you know, if you buy our brick machine with a big quantity, that means the speed and the production capacity is very more high. So that means when the bricks come out, the interlocking hydroform bricks come out with maybe 10 pieces or 7 pieces. That means it will require your laborers to stack and to carry out the bricks very fast. So that maybe a little unreasonable. It's a little unreasonable. So that's why we designed this stacker. I will show you how it works. Okay. This stacker, I want to show you from the top view. Here, this one is the hydraulic station, and also you can understand this particular hydraulic station is separate. Hydraulic station is powered by electric motor here. I want to show you here. It's 3 kilowatts. You see, it's 3 kilowatts. It's only 3 kilowatts. But this electric motor is only powered this hydraulic station, and also this one is hydraulic waves, single waves. So you can understand this brick stacker is powered separately by a hydraulic station. Here, this blue tank is hydraulic oil tank. You will feel from here, from this mouse, you will feel the hydraulic oil. This one is 3 kilowatts. I will show you 3 kilowatts. You see, 3.0 kilowatts. Show you 3.0 kilowatts. And this one is industrial electricity power, is 380 voltage, 50 hertz. So it's powered which one? It's powered. It will power. You see, at the left side is powered this hydraulic cylinder. This one is the entrance to the hydraulic hose, and this one is the exact hydraulic hose for this particular, the hydraulic cylinder. And over here is also another. There's another hydraulic cylinder. To try to lift up this mode, and this one, the iron frame, will be support these pellets. Now we use the iron pellets here, but normally we will use the fiber pellets instead of the steel pellets, because the steel pellets, the weight is very heavy. No need it. That's not necessary for you to use the steel. So we will use the fiber pellets. I want to show you. It's very advanced. It's very advanced design. So here you can see the sensor here will be attached number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, right? First, second, third, fourth. That means it can stack the bricks 5 stories. 5 stories. I will show you something. Okay? This one. Now I start the oil pump has started. So, buddies, you can see now I try to start the oil pump, and start the whole machine of this brick machine. And with this pellet platform, you see, pellet platform rise and drop, platform rise up and drop. If you do this, it will be rise up. If you do this, it will be drop down one by one. So I showed you. That means after the bricks, the interlocking soil bricks come out, okay, and the bricks will be dropped down. The bricks will be dropped down on the pellets. These pellets will be holded by here, okay. So the bricks will be dropped down on the pellets, and after this iron frame, this pellet frame receive the signal of the bricks drop down on the pellets, so the pellet frame will be dropped down by itself, one story down. And after, you will continue, the machine will be continue produce the second times, the next shift of the bricks, and the second time the bricks produced well and come out again. So the second shift of the bricks will be dropped down onto the first time's bricks directly. And that means after the pellet platform receive the signal from the second shift of the bricks drop down on the pellets, so the pellet frame will be dropped down to the third story. That's why here we design the signal here will be dropped down to the first one, and the second one, and the third story, and the fourth story. So from the top one is the fifth story. So it can be stack 5 stories totally. It's very good. And after this freed, let me show you. Okay, you see now, this pellet frame, this iron frame, right? This pellet iron frame. This pellet iron frame. After the pellets, your pellets have already received the 5 stories of the bricks, right? So the pellet touch this iron. This iron, you see, this iron will give the signal to this sensor. This iron pass, you see? After pellets press, this iron. This iron will give the signal to this sensor. So the sensor will give the signal to the PLC, to the controller cabinets. So this conveyor. I will show you. This conveyor. These pellets will be transferred out. To here. These pellets with 5 stories of the bricks will be transferred out to here. And then you will put, you will put the second pellets to receive another 5 stories of the bricks. Yeah, here I think is the system of the pellet stacker system. I have already, I think is make a very detailed description and introduction for you. So later on I will, record a video of the how the brick stack working. Okay.